cleared it and now the window wipers and everything's going mental. 50,000 dash lights. Morning everyone, or evening. How you all doing? It's Dan here. Got a new car, as you can see. It's a 2015 Astra. I've got it literally for steel. There's not a mark on it, apart from one little tiny scratch. So I'll just show you around it. It's had 4 brand new tyres, that one, and that one. That's the only little mark, which it won't polish out, touch it up. Battery's dead. And this is the clue. This is what's wrong with it. Electrical. Now, it's got the half lever. It's got USB, obviously cigarette lighter, auxiliary, aircon. I can't remember the mileage on this. I have to wait until we plug it in because it's completely dead. But anyway, obviously the course is sold, so I bought this. But I bought this for a crazy price because it's just had MOT put on it, and then about 18 days later, it's broken down. And you'll see what's actually wrong with it in a second. Headlight, oh, I don't know what one it is. Maybe that one? Just guess for now. Diagnosis to see how many faults we can see. It's going mental. Power steering, it's definitely BCM, body control module's buggered. Because it's all to do with the same thing. Let's see. Let's go back a minute. Let's try and see the fault on the engine. ECU. Trouble codes. Ignition cycle. Lost communication with body control module. There you go. So I cleared it and now the window wipers and everything's going mental. 50,000 dash lights. You dear. Interesting. It's coming up with code 18. I've got 14 volt now, so let's try and get on the body control module. Come on, please work. Please work. No, it doesn't like it. Right, so what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to either get this one repaired or I'll just get another one, get a virginalised one, and then get someone to code it for me, locksmith or something, because this is not going to work. And I've got 14 volt, so that's a shame. I was hoping I could try and get onto the control unit and try and read what model it was so I didn't actually have to take anything off. Location for an Astra 15 plate 1.6 body control module. Guys, it's there. You just take this plastic panel off along there and it's hidden right down there. I'm not sure how you get it out yet. I think you undo this bolt here and hopefully it should pull out nicely. If not, then I'll find out in a minute. What a crap design. Look, got all these wires out and I can't get this out with just It just hits. Doesn't fit through. How the hell do you get that out then? And the parcel has just arrived, and you're going to be seeing me plugging this in and praying that it sorts out the issue. I'm really hoping it is this, because then all I've got to do is plug this in and then clean it inside out, and then I can actually sell it. It's got obviously electric mirrors. What else it got? Multi-steering wheel. Yeah, it's actually quite a high spec. So I'm really praying that this is going to work. I've just noticed there's a fuse here, so someone must have took a fuse out. It's got service history pretty much right till the beginning. I can't remember where that fuse went. I think it might have came out of the window wipers, because that was one of the issues. Or anyway, I'll stop going on, and let's fit this new part down there, and then see if it works. Right, let's open this up. I haven't disconnected the battery. I think it'd be alright, because this battery's dead. The battery's dead. The only thing I can see is the rocker cover gasket needs doing. So common on these Astras, on any Vauxhall to be honest. They leak like anything. So for 15 quid, 20 quid, I'll do that. I've already done, in one of my videos I've already done this on a, I can't remember what it was, Vectra or Safira, one of the others. If you want to check that out, have a look through my videos. Yeah, so this is obviously my battery pack. And this is the culprit. Long story short is I've actually taken the other one apart, and my one is soaking wet. Literally you can shake it. So I've had to pay 200 quid for this, because I could have just got someone to, I could have bought one second hand, 50, 60, 70 quid, and then paid like, I don't know, 60 quid to clone it. Well, anyway, my one wouldn't clone, so I've had. Right, I've just opened up this cover, and there's loads of water there. And it's proper buggered. To buy a second hand one, give him my one, and then he's had to take all the bits off and then basically recode it and wherever else. So this was actually 200 quid. So the plan is, I'm going to put this in now and then put the battery on. But probably what I'll do is, if I can, just connect it up from here so I don't put it all in properly, because it is a nightmare to get in this hole here. This whole big thing here has to go slots in there, and trust me, there's no easy way of getting it in and out. So I don't know if I can actually pull it through the other way. I might actually try that. But yeah, let's just shove this in. I'll do it from the other side to see if it actually fits. If not, I did get it through that way. So let's try. Right, you can't do it the other way, but it looks like you can undo that maybe. There, undo that, and this might push back. Put the ECU into it. And then, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure this works anyway. So I'm going to shove this in, connect this all up, and then I can try and put it in the other way. So I'll do that now. Alright, it's nice and fiddly. Even though it says red, grey, pink, you've got to make sure it's actually the right colours. Natural blue, green, black. Right, I'm going to put the last one on. Make sure it's all clipped in. So that's all there. Now, to be honest, I'm actually crapping my pants, because if this works, I've got this car for literally, got to be the cheapest Astra 2015 in the country, without a doubt. It's not categorised, it's not anything. It's literally just a bargain, hopefully. If it's not, then I don't know what else it could be. Maybe a whole new ECU kit or something, but let's just see. Let's go and put this battery pack on, and let's just pray that it's going to sort it out. Alright, so far the wipers are not going on, which is good. The headlights aren't going on, which is good. So I am just going to literally just try. And like everyone says, big risk, big rewards. Now, lights on. That's gone straight back. There's no clicking. There's no clicking. There's no door. What was it? The fuel cap was clicking and going mad. The window wipers were going on. Now if this starts, this is going to be a result. So ignition's on. I'm actually scared because I don't actually know if this engine even runs. The person could be lying to me. So here goes. Still not working. I've got to press clutch down. Oh my god! It's come out with one little code there, but that was giving me the heebie-jeebies. I literally forgot you got to press the clutch down on this thing. Still got half a tank of fuel. It's done. What's mileage on this thing? 87,000 miles. And it's got used MOT on it. Oh my god, I'm so gassed. I'm so excited. I can't believe this, man. The engine could have been buggered at the end of the day. And there must be some sort of water leak coming from somewhere, because that's why that got wet. So I am going to have to sort that issue out. But listen to that engine running. I haven't driven this yet, so the clutch could be gone. Obviously this was classed as a non-runner, so it couldn't drive, it had to be trailered. But I'm so excited, especially when you know, put it this way, this retails at £4 grand. And you're going to want to know what I paid for this soon. And you will see at the end of the video, or maybe in the next video once I've sold it. So if you like this content, please like and subscribe. Obviously I'm just buying the cars. I've started from a, what was it? I did try it before and it just seemed to not do well, because I ended up keeping the bloody car, which was the Focus, which I've still got, the Focus ST. I should have just sold that and carried on, but I love that car, so I was just stupid and I kept it. So I've started all over again. I started off with a little, no, it wasn't a little car actually. At first it was, I bought a, oh, what was the story? I bought a VW Borer, which was a nightmare to try and find the door, so I flipped that, made a few £100. Then I bought the Mini. Obviously done a few bits and pieces, you've seen the videos. If you haven't, check them out. Then I've also, after that, I bought the Corsa, and now I've bought this. So into it now at the moment with 4 cars. So I'm trying to aim to, like, I don't know, I might just aim 20 grand. I might carry on going and see what else I can get up to. Because obviously everyone does it up to supercar, so let's just see. Obviously it gets harder and harder the more expensive the cars. Right, I'll stop going on. I'm going to take this for a test drive and see if it works. But it seems all good. Let's put it in gear and just see. Oh yeah, that clutch. That clutch is literally, that's new, that clutch. That is so new. God, this drives nice. Just from like the feel of the gear stick, just feels exactly like the VXR we had. Just rev it a bit. Yeah, that's running sweet. No misfires, no nothing. Well, I'd let it run up to temperature and see. But there is one code on the menu. Tyre learn. Oh, it just seems like that's gone out now. So it must just be the stupid tyres, which are a pain in the butt. Who wants to know whether the tyre's flat or not? Who cares? You're going to tell if you look out the window and you'll feel it. Stupid idea. Anyway, let me just stop going on and along because I'm a bit excited now. I'm literally on a right old buzz here. That's the owner's manual. It's got pretty much full service history. So anyway, let's just take this battery pack off, let it charge for a bit, and let's take it for a drive. But that is running amazingly quiet. Amazingly quiet. Right, here it goes, it's going to take the drive.